Very good morning and hello students. I hope you all are doing very well. This is Sangeeta Mahavar, your social science teacher, and today we are going to start a new chapter. The name of the chapter is chapter 6, Means of Communication. Students, in this chapter we will learn about the different means of communication. Communication means connectivity between two peoples or talking between the two peoples. So how can we communicate between two peoples? We will learn about the different gadgets by which we can communicate with each other. So the main content of this chapter is, first you will learn about some introduction about communication. Second, you will learn about postal services, that is हम लोग जिसको हिंदी में भी डाक सर्विसेज भी बोल सकते हैं. डाक that means जो हमारा जो डाकिया आता है, डाक लेके जाता है, that is called as postal services. Next is telephone. फिर smartphone. Students, you all know what is smartphone because you all are using now. Fax, pager, email, sending or receiving of message by internet is called as emailing. Mass media, radio. About television, students, you all like television to see the different cartoon channels and many more things. Newspapers, magazines and books. So there is a girl and a boy who is having the conversation. Hi Neil, how are you? Hi Tina, I am good. How are you all? When are you coming back to India? We miss you. Yes Tina, we'll be back in 15 days. Miss you too. Look at Neil and Tina. What are they doing? They are talking over a phone. So Neil is out of India and Tina is in India and they both are talking on the phone. So this means that they both are communicating with each other. We all like to keep in touch with our friends and relatives by meeting them as often as possible, but it is possible? No. So students, हम सबको अपने रिलेटिव्स एज वेल एज फ्रेंड्स से मिलना, बातचीत करना अच्छा लगता है, दैट मीन्स पसंद आता है. बट हाउ कैन वी कम्युनिकेट? वी कैन कम्युनिकेट बाय द डिफरेंट मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. सो हाउ डू वी stay in touch with all loved ones? We can write letters. So हम लोग हमारे loved ones के जो हमारे फैमिली फ्रेंड्स हैं उनसे कैसे टच में रह सकते हैं? हम उन्हें लेटर लिख सकते हैं. वी कैन फोन कॉल देम. वी कैन सेंड द emails or messages on the phone. You all know that messaging on the WhatsApp. So these are the means of communication. So how do we stay in touch with our loved ones? We can write letter, phone calls and send emails, as you can see here the image. Sending and receiving information or messages is called communication. That means sending a message from mobile or emailing or calling. This is called as communication. My dear students, long ago train pigeons carried messages from one place to another, as you can see in image. इन pigeons को train करते थे पुराने टाइम पे long ago, and इन्हें फिर letters या फिर जो भी messages होते थे इनके थ्रू दूसरी जगह पर send किए जाते थे. Now, students, people went on foot or animals to deliver messages, but these means were slow and not reliable. Students, pigeons के द्वारा भी भेजे जाते थे, as well as peoples क्या करते थे अपने foot पर walk करके, they walk on their foot or on animals and go to the places to sending or giving the messages. Today, We have several faster and more reliable means of communication. More easy और faster means of communication हमारे पास बहुत सारे हैं, like computer, radio, phone, television, newspaper, magazines and mobiles. These are the fastest means of communication what we have now. Student, first we will learn about postal services. One of the cheapest and the most popular means of communication is letter, that is postal services. By sending letter or receiving letter is the cheapest form of communication. We can send messages by writing on the letters. One of the cheapest or most communication we can use postcards, inland letters and many other things which are posted by putting the stamps on them and putting them into the envelope and sending them to the different places. So, postal service is cheapest means of communication. Letters can be sent by writing messages on an inland letter, a postcard or even on a sheet of paper, and then putting it a stamp envelope. We then post our letters to the town or the cities. So by this we can send letters. And these letters are then carried by road, rail services, air services or water transport to different cities and countries for the letter to reach safely. We must write the complete address to reach the letter safely to the place जिस place पर हमने letter को send किया है वहाँ letter safely पहुँच जाए उसके लिए we have to write the complete full name as well as complete address so that with the pin code so that it can reach on the place where it belongs. Urgent letters or parcels can be sent by to any city of a country through speed post or courier. So students, for urgent posting और हमें बहुत ज़्यादा जल्दी किसी चीज़ को send करना है so we can use speed post for sending the letters or the couriers. Students, did you know the invention of telegraph in the year 1837 enables messages to be sent instantly over great distance. These messages were called telegrams. Telegrams were usually used to send urgent messages. With the invention of the telephone, the importance of telegraph reduces. In India, the last telegraph was sent in July 2013. The fastest means of communication is telephone. We all love to talk on telephones. So telephone is the fastest means of communication that ring like ring ring bring bring. On the telephone we can easily talk to our friends and relatives. So students, I know that with your friends you daily communicate on the basis of telephone or your mobiles. The fastest means of communication is telephone. On the telephone, we can easily talk to our friends and or relatives. We can easily talk we can easily talk to them even though we are distant from each other. Written messages can be easily sent through a fax machine. So student, this is the fax machine. We can easily send messages in written form by fax machines. Mobile and cellular phones are wireless. As you can see, mobile and cellular phones are also used to send the messages in the written form, but they are wireless, and fax machine is not wireless. We can also send instant messages SMS through mobile phones by texting them, by sending messages we all do in our regular life. We all WhatsApp messages. So these are the instant messages which are sent through SMS or messages. Now student, we will move to mass media or mass communication. Companies often need to advertise their products to a large number of people at the same time. Students, जो बड़ी बड़ी कंपनीज होती है वो अपनी एडवर्टाइजमेंट को एट अ टाइम देने के लिए वह उसे मास कम्युनिकेशन का यूटिलाइजेशन होता है, क्योंकि उसे लार्ज नंबर ऑफ पीपल्स को एक ही टाइम में वह चीज पहुंचानी होती है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, सिमिलरली न्यूज अबाउट व्हाट इज हैपनिंग अराउंड द वर्ल्ड टू रीच अ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ पीपल्स एट द सेम टाइम. जैसे कि कंपनीज को अपनी जो प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं उनकी एडवर्टाइजमेंट एट अ टाइम डिफरेंट पीपल्स को पहुंचानी होती है, एज वेल एज जो न्यूज़ होती है, जो न्यूज़ रेगुलर बेसिस पे जो न्यूज़ आती हैं वो भी हमें एट अ टाइम पर मॉर्निंग में चाहिए होती है. सो न्यूज़पेपर इज द बेस्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ मास कम्युनिकेशन. Some of the best examples of mass communication is newspaper, magazines, radio, televisions are used. These are called as mass communication. For this purpose, newspaper, televisions are used to send the messages instantly to many peoples all over the world. Radio and television provide the latest information on important events. By radio and television, we can get the latest information that what is happening at the different state or country. The television has become the most important means of communication in our country, because by seeing television or getting the information from the television, we can get any information related to any state, any activities which are going in other state or far away distances. Satellites. Today, satellites placed all about the earth helps to send the telephone messages, radios, TV programs around the world. Now student, there is one question that how are TV, television, telephone and all these radios are working. It is working because of the satellites which were placed in the space, and these satellites help us to receiving the messages through telephone, radio and TV programs. It is because of the satellite that we able to see the sports, different events as well as different programs in our televisions. As student, you all like Shin Chans and many other programs. So these are the programs which we are visualizing due to the satellites. हम satellites की वजह से इन प्रोग्राम को देख पा रहे हैं. Now students, we will move to internet and emails. The internet and emails sends emails instantly. So students, internet is used to send the emails instantly. मतलब that means किसी मैसेज को अगर हमको instantly तो इस जगह से दूसरी जगह पर at a time पर भेजना है तो we use internet for sending the emails and messages. We can send email to different places at a one time. You can also get the information about the weather, latest happening around the world and anything you want to know. By internet, you can also get the information. हम information भी ले सकते हैं इंटरनेट के थ्रू, जैसे कि वेदर की तो वेदर इंफॉर्मेशन, एटमॉस्फेयर इंफॉर्मेशन, लेटेस्ट कहीं दूसरी कंट्री में क्या चल रहा है दैट इंफॉर्मेशन, एज वेल एज वर्ल्ड की ऑल ओवर इंफॉर्मेशन वी कैन गेट ऑन इंटरनेट. Smartphones and e-readers. Each day, newer and Each day, newer and better machines that helps communications are coming out. Some of these are smartphones and e-reader. So students, you all are using today's smartphone for your studies as well as communicating different things. Now in COVID situation, we all know that how our smartphones or mobile phone is useful to us for our studying purpose also. That you can communicate by your teachers as well as your schools sitting at your home. So smartphones is the latest form of communication which is helping you in this COVID-19 situation. So now you all know how phones are important for us. A smartphone combines the future of phone and the computer. Students, in phone you can send the emails that have the features of computer and many more other activities like reading and many more. So some smartphones also work on the features of the computer, and it can be a computer, small computer. Also we can also say that smartphone is a small computer in which we can do many activities. An e-book reader can be used for downloading and reading digital books and periodicals. Students, there is an e-book reader in which we can download different PDF as well as different books and periodicals for reading for our studying purpose. कुछ भी studying purpose के लिए अगर हमें chapters PDF चाहिए तो we can download on e-book reader and we can read on that for our study purpose. Readers, all these are the latest means of communication have brought the world closer and help to connect peoples better. So students, these all latest means of communication help us to connect to all over the world as well as the peoples who are far away and distant from us. So in COVID-19 situation, all this means of communication is very useful for us. Oh, my dear students, I now know sending and receiving messages is called communication. किसी भी मैसेज को सेंडिंग करना या रिसीव करना is called as communication. Letter and parcels are sent through the postal system. We can send letters and parcels or couriers through the postal system by speed post or simple post. The telephone is the fastest means of communication. If हमें किसी से बहुत ही जल्दी में कांटेक्ट करना है, so we can use telephone as the fastest means of communication. Newspaper, radio and television help to communicate with a large number of people at the same time. So newspaper, radio, television, these are the communication sources which can help us to communicate a large number of people at the same time. Or this is also a fastest means. By newspaper, radio and television, we can send the messages in the fastest form. The internet and email are now a popular means of communication. In today's world, internet and email in these situations of a COVID-19, it is the fastest as well as the very popular means of communication. By using internet like WhatsApp messages, emails, we can send every information as well as message to our friends as well as our colleagues. So students, now this chapter is finished, and if there is any query or doubt related to this chapter, you can ask me anytime.